Alright, so how much RAM do you actually need for your phone to perform its basic tasks? Because these days the amount of RAM phone are coming with is mind blowing. Because these days we have phone with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 18 gigabytes of RAM, 20 gigabytes. Even we have phone with 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is too massive for mobile phone. Most phones come with 12 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes of RAM nowadays. But do you actually need all these amounts of RAM for to run your games or your basic tasks perfectly? RAM is just there to help you to switch between apps seamlessly without lagging. That's just the main use of RAM. Phone come with huge amount of RAM. It don't necessarily means that the phone will run games better than phone with lesser RAMs. Some phone with 8 gig of RAM still perform better than phone with 16 gig or 24 gigabyte of RAM. It's just about the numbers. Even some phones don't use those RAMs. Like the phone I'm using right now, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G, it's come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and which can also add 8 gigabytes of RAM with it with RAM plus, which combines to 20 gigabytes of RAM. When I check the amount of RAM this phone is using, it's only using 6 gig of RAM out of 12. 6 gig. It's just 6.9 or 6 point something gigabyte of RAM out of 12. That means the remaining RAMs are useless. That means the amount of RAM you people need on your mobile phone is just 8 gig of RAM. Don't question me anymore.